Okay, ma'am.
A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing? Good?
Yes, good.
Yes. Okay, very good. So, my dear students, today I have asked you all to be ready with your grammar workbook. Are you ready with the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, we will be revising worksheets 14 and 15 today. Worksheets 14 and 15. Now, worksheet 14 is all about verbs, right? Who's ready to tell me what are verbs? Yes, Muhammad Rishan.
Rishan.
Yes, tell. What are verbs? What is the other word for verbs?
Vowels. Doing words or action
Doing
words.
words, not vowels. Who said vowels? Verbs are also called as? What are they called?
Action.
Action words or doing words. Yes. Verbs are also called as action words or doing words. Okay, very good, Muhammad Rishan. Prarthana, come on. I want you to tell me a few action words or verbs.
Dancing,
Dance, yes. Then
drawing,
drawing. Then
singing,
singing. Then what else?
then
Running.
Running. Okay.
running
Uh,
and reading.
reading. Okay, yes.
Smiling.
Smiling. Who said smiling? Yes, that's right. Smiling also is.
Ma'am, Pratna, ma'am,
Yes, Pratna, what is it? Yes, both of you have given me the answers correctly. Very
ma'am,
good, Rishan and Pratna.
ma'am,
Yes, what is it?
happy,
Sorry?
happy,
Happy. Okay, fine. Okay, good effort, both of you. Thank you very much.
Jumping. Ma'am, eating.
ma'am, jumping,
Okay, that's it. That's it. Enough, enough. Enough? Yes, very good, children.
Eating.
Okay, all these are jumping, walking, running, smiling, eating, drinking. All these are action words, also called as verbs or doing words. What are they called? Verbs or action words or doing words, right? Okay. So a word that tells us what a person, animal, or thing does are called verbs. Words that tell us what a person, animal, or thing does or is doing are called verbs. And each and every verb shows some or the other action being done. And that is the reason verbs are also called as action words or doing words. Okay. Yes, Joanne, unmute and tell me, why are verbs also called as action words? Why are verbs also called as action words? Tell me.
action words,
Hmm?
doing words.
Why are they called so? Tell me. Verbs are also called as action words or doing words because each and every verb, for example, eat, drink, play, sit, jump, run, all these verbs show some or the other action being done. That is the reason verbs are also called as action words or doing words. See here, run. This is the action which is done when a person is running. Yes, running, action. Then smile, eat, dancing. The lion roars, the clown jumps. Each and every verb shows some or the other action. That is the reason verbs are also called as action words or doing words.
Words.
Okay, good effort, Joanne. Thank you, my dear. Okay, Merin, unmute, please. Merin, tell me, which amongst these 6 pictures, which words are the verbs here? Did you notice 6 pictures here?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, which are the verbs? I want you to
Dance.
tell me all the 6 verbs.
Dancing,
Yes.
running,
Okay.
roads,
Roars,
eating,
eat. 2 more.
clouds,
Sorry,
clouds,
I didn't get you.
jumping,
Jumps. Okay. And one more.
smiling,
Smile. Yes, very good. Run, smile, eat, dance, roar, and jump. All these are the verbs mentioned here. Did everybody notice the action being shown by these activities? Yes. That is the reason these are also called as action words or doing words. Okay, good effort, Merin. Thank you. Now, let's try to do the exercises. Ready? Okay, Junaita, tell me the answer for the first one. 1 second. Yes, Junaita, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
shoot,
No. Mohammad Rishan, please mute your device.
Choose the correct verbs from the box and fill in the blanks.
Okay.
A fish dash in the water.
What does a fish do in the water?
A fish
Swims in the water. S-W-I-M-S. A fish swims in the water. Okay. Good effort, Junaita. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Megdarsh, unmute. Try the second one. Roma.
Roma
Yes.
A-P-I-C-T-U-R-A.
Picture. Picture.
Third.
Picture. Roma dash a picture.
Pain.
Sorry?
Pains.
Paints. Yes, paints. P-A-I-N-T-S. Roma paints a picture. Good effort. Megdarsh, thank you. Karthik, unmute. Try the third one. Meena.
The book. Read.
Reads. S is there. Meena reads the book. R-E-A-D-S. Meena reads the book. Okay, good effort, Karthik. Thank you. Tirtha, unmute. Try the next one.
David dash football.
Okay.
Plays.
What does David do?
Play.
Plays football. David plays football. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you. Anna, unmute. Try the fifth one.
the sun,
The sun shines.
The sun
And it
shines. Yes. Sun shines.
And which book?
Grammar workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good effort, Anna. Thank you. Agnes, unmute. Try the sixth one.
I dash
I brush my teeth every day.
Teeth, T-E-T-H. I dash my teeth every day. What is the correct answer? Brush. Brush, yes. Okay, very good. Very good, Agnes. Thank you. I brush my teeth yesterday or every day. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. Okay, good effort, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Now let's move to question number C. Fill in the blanks with the verbs. Choose from the box. Krishna Priya, unmute. Try number 1.
Ma'am,
We
That's-
dash.
We eat.
ma'am, which page?
Page number 43. We eat with a spoon. Okay, very good, Krishna Priya. She's facing network issues, I think. Austin, unmute. Try number 2.
We dash with a pencil.
We dash.
We wash
With a soap.
What do we do with a soap? What do we do with the soap?
Wash.
Wash, yes. We wash with a soap. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you. Ritvik, unmute. Try number 3. Try number 3.
Mohan dash with a pencil. Right.
Mohan
Dash with a pencil. Right.
Who gave me the answer now? I request the others not to speak in between, please. Ritvik, unmute. Yeah, tell me the answer.
Right.
Mohan writes. W-R-I-T-E-S. Writes. Mohan writes with a pencil. Okay, good effort, Ritvik. Thank you. Henry, unmute. Try the 4th one.
Priya.
Priya.
Priya dash on
Her. On her bed.
her
Bed.
bed.
Okay. What does she do on her bed?
Sleep.
She sleeps on her bed. Sleeps. Okay, very good.
On her bed.
Priya sleeps on her bed.
Bed.
Okay, good effort, my dear. Let's move to the next exercise.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we have, okay, Henry. Now we have got an idea about how to deal with verbs, right? Yes? Let's move to the next exercise. Worksheet number 15, the last exercise is about opposites. And now we all know very well that opposites are pairs of words which mean the opposite of each other. Opposite means having completely different meanings. Opposites are pairs of words which have completely different meaning. We have done that in the literature workbook also, right? Do you remember? Short, tall.
Yes, ma'am.
Poor, rich. Full, empty. All these are pairs of words which mean that which have totally different meaning than each other. Totally different meaning. And when words have totally different meaning than each other, they are called opposites. Opposites. Okay? Yes. Let me ask you a few questions now. Adel, unmute, my dear. What is the opposite of thin?
Fat.
Thin, fat. Okay, very good. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Sandria, unmute. What is the opposite of new?
Old.
N-E-W, new.
Old.
Old. Spelling?
Old.
O-L-D. Old. Okay, very good. Aarti, unmute. What is the opposite of hard?
Smooth.
Sorry?
Soft.
Soft. The opposite of hard is soft. The opposite of rough is smooth. But the opposite of hard is soft. Okay? Okay. Dhruva, unmute. What is the opposite of rich?
Poor.
Poor. P-O-O-R. Poor. Okay, very good, Dhruva. Anaya, what's the opposite of weak? W-E-A-K. Weak.
Strong.
Strong. Yes. Why are the other students answering? Please don't do that, my little ones. Anaya, what is the opposite of weak?
Strong.
Strong. Yes. What is the spelling of strong?
S-T-R-O-N-G.
Very good, my dear. Daniel, what is the opposite of close?
Open.
Spelling?
O-P-P-E-N.
P-P-E-N or O-P-E-N?
O-P-E-N.
Yes, that's right. Okay, thank you, my dear. Abhinav, unmute. What is the opposite of sad?
Happy.
No, others.
Happy.
Abhinav, what is the opposite of sad?
Happy.
Happy. Very good. Can you tell me the spelling? Yes, Abhinav, what is the spelling of happy?
H-A-P-P-Y.
Y. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Okay, very good. Thank you. Malavika, unmute. What is the opposite of slow?
Slow is fast.
Fast. Spelling?
F-A-S-T. Fast.
F-A-S-T. Fast. Very good. Sarah, what's the opposite of dirty?
Clean.
Clean. Spelling?
L-E-A-N. Clean.
Very good. Very good. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Hayan, unmute. What's the opposite of heavy? Heavy. Heavy means something which has a lot of weight. So the opposite will be something which has very less weight. What is the word for that?
Light.
Others, don't give the answers, please. Hayan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer. Something which has very less weight is called? Anybody else wishes to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your hand.
Mohammed Risha. Mohammed Risha.
Mohammed Rishan, mute your device, please.
Ma'am.
Light. Yes, Junaita, very good. She's raising her hand.
L-I-G-H-T.
Yes, Junaita.
Light. Opposite is light.
Light. The opposite of heavy is light. Something which has very less weight is called light. A light object.
Ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Empty.
My dear students, I think I need to mute your devices now. Many times I said, right? Please don't speak in between. You all are my good children, right? Then why are you answering in between? Please avoid doing that. I want to see how each one is trying to remember or not. Okay? So I once again request you not to speak in between. Good children. Keep that in mind. Ivania, unmute. What's the opposite of full? Spelling?
E-M-P-T-Y.
E-M-P-T-Y. Okay, very good. Adinath, can you hear me? Adinath, can you hear me? Unmute Adinath. No, I think he's facing network issues. Okay. Siddharth, can you hear me? Adam, Agne, Aisha, Raya, switch on the videos. Okay, Ritvik, unmute once again. What's the opposite of big? Ritvik, unmute. What is the opposite of big? Huh? Sorry?
More.
Very good. Spelling?
N
L, 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 L. Okay, okay. Very good, Ritvik. Thank you. Agne, unmute. Let's move to question B, the first one. Agne, please read the first one. Can you put the mask a bit down? I cannot hear you otherwise. Yeah, after that you put it up again. Unmute first, Agne. Unmute. Yeah, read. Agne, read.
You. I give.
Not give, G-A-V-E, gave.
Give.
Gave away
Give away.
my
Old.
O-L-D, old,
Old.
S-H-I-R-T, shirt.
Shirt.
Mother.
T.
Mother bought a.
What?
I want you to tell me the opposite of the word old. What is the opposite of old?
No.
Spelling?
N-E-W.
Okay, okay. Very good, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. Adam Joe, unmute. Read the next one. Number 2.
W-A-N.
Yes. Is W-H-I-T-E, white.
White. A crow is that.
Okay. What is the opposite of white?
Black.
Black. B-L-A-C-K. A crow is black. Okay, good effort, Adam. Thank you. Abhinav, unmute. Read the third one. Number 3. I-R-O-N. Iron. Iron is the name of a metal. Okay. Iron is, read it, H-E-A-V-Y. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy.
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 C-O-T-T-O-N.
Heavy. Cotton
Cotton
is
dash.
What is the opposite of heavy? Sorry? Yes, Abhinav, what is the opposite of heavy? We have done that in the previous exercise. Heavy means something that has a lot of weight. What is the opposite of that? Abhinav, give me the answer. The opposite of heavy is? Abhinav, what is the opposite of heavy? Heavy means something that has a lot of weight. So what is the word for something which has very little weight? Light.
Light.
Light. L-I-G-H-T.
L-I-G-H-T.
Light. The opposite of heavy is light. Try to remember the answers. Okay, Abhinav?
Okay, ma'am.
The opposite of heavy is light.
Light.
Okay, thank you. Hayan, unmute. Read the fourth one, number 4.
W-A-T-E-R.
Water.
Water is
C-O-L-D. Cold.
T-E-A.
T is? What is the opposite of cold?
Hot.
Hot. Very good. T is hot. H-O-T. Hot. Okay, good effort, Hayan. Thank you.
Come.
Okay. Meghadarsh, unmute. Read the next one, number 5.
P-R-E-T-H-I.
Preeti. That's the name. Continue.
Preeti is
Y-O-U-N-G.
young.
Young. Young. Then G-R-A-N-D.
Grandfather is
okay. I want you to tell me the opposite of young. What is the opposite of young?
old.
Old. Very good. The opposite of young is old. Very good, Meghadarsh. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Karthik, try the last one, number 6.
Ram is thin. Shah is fat.
Very good. The opposite of thin is fat.
Fat.
The opposite of thin is fat. Okay. So my dear students, I believe everybody has been able to recollect the way we have done this exercise on opposites, right? Are you able to remember? Let me stop sharing. Yes, are you all confident about it now? Confident? Yes? Okay, very good. I'll be sending a revision sample paper to you. Try to solve that at your homes, and then you will understand how you have to prepare for the exams, okay? Today is the last class of this academic year, my dear students. Yes? From Friday onwards, we will be beginning with our exams. I wish all my dear little ones all the very best for all the subject examinations. Okay? Do well, be confident. Lots of love to you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. All the best. Bye.